Hey, Chris, the weekend is almost here. Do you have any plans?
Hey, Emma. Yes, I'm planning to visit my parents on Saturday. It's been a few weeks since I saw them.
That sounds nice. Are they cooking something special?
Probably. My mom always makes my favorite pasta when I visit.
Lucky you. I'm thinking about going hiking on Saturday morning.
Oh, that's cool. Where do you go hiking?
There's a trail near the lake. It's peaceful and not too hard.
Sounds like a great way to relax. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I'm going to clean my apartment in the morning, and then I might meet a friend for coffee.
I love lazy Sundays with coffee. I think I'll sleep in, then maybe go to the park.
That's a good idea. The weather should be nice this weekend.
Yeah, sunny and warm. Perfect for outdoor plans. Do you ever go to the beach?
Sometimes, but not this weekend. I don't like big crowds.
True. Beaches are packed on sunny weekends.
Are you doing anything fun Saturday night?
Maybe. My cousin invited me to a birthday party. I'm still not sure if I'll go.
That could be fun. I might just watch a movie at home and relax.
What kind of movies do you like?
Comedies and dramas. Nothing too scary. You?
I love action movies and thrillers. I like something exciting.
I need something peaceful after a long week.
I get that. Well, whatever we do, let's enjoy the weekend.
Absolutely. Let's talk on Sunday and see how it all went.
Deal. Have a great weekend, Emma.
You too, Chris.